this is the River Ant, and this goes down and joins the Bure further over. That's where the big. Yeah, that's where the big yacht is down there. It's alright, I was just wondering what.
Ramblers.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm out here with Carl from Hazzard Outdoors.
I am.
And he is. And we've got half lavvu up and we're out Norfolk Broads, is it? Is this the actual in the Broads or?
Yeah, this is part of the Broads, yeah. Yeah, the River Ant is this one here, yeah. And was it River Bure it goes on to?
Cool. We're near, I've got the name of it, the Abbey. There's an Abbey just over there.
Saint Benedict's.
That's it.
Gordon.
Old Abbey that I think looked like it got converted into a grain store at some point.
I think it was. They built a windmill on it.
Ah, okay.
Some random farmer decided to build a windmill on it.
Yeah, so we basically just come out for. We've both got some time off work. Come out, just hanging out. You've been trying your hand at some hobo line fishing.
Yeah. Caught loads.
But you lost the hook.
All off screen.
Yeah.
All off screen.
Yeah. Yeah, we just had coffee and stuff, hanging out, enjoying the outdoors.
So I caught the coffee.
Yeah. So yeah, should show you a bit around the area, and it's just be a little quick one today. I think nothing special.
Indeed.
We've been planning for a bigger event that's coming up.
Hopefully
with a few of us, if we're not in lockdown again. So
I like that.
yeah. So we've been looking forward to that for a long time. So hopefully it'll happen, but you'll know eventually when it happens.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah. One day it'll happen. Either way.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's definitely gonna happen. I'm not gonna cancel it. Even if we are in lockdown, I'll cancel it.
Like ninja-esque
I'll go on my own.
things. Yeah, trying to get there. Cool. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and catch you again soon.
Cheers.